Hi everyone, it's Gucci. I'm so excited to reveal our newest launch, our Petite sticks. It's our Clean Glow Trio in a travel size, petite, cute. It's our highlight, our contour, and our blush. Of course, with our beautiful active ingredients. The idea of Clean Glow Trio is, this healthy, radiant looking dewy skin that I've become known for as a professional makeup artist over the years. And it's our cult products that we're always sold out of. It comes in two versions, Clean Glow Trio 1, Clean Glow Trio 2. You have something to sculpt, highlight, and add that pop of color. Okay, so Clean Glow Trio 1, which is great for my kind of skin, medium, light. So you have Face Trace and Biscuit, which is a really beautiful kind of cool taupey color. And it's just very unintimidating. I wanted it to be super intuitive as a product to give yourself a little bit of sculpt, a little bit of definition. You can use it on your cheeks, nose, eyes, jaw, anywhere you want. Super blendable. But the shade is very easy and it's kind of like a no-brainer. And then you have Lit Up, which is a glassy iridescent finish. Just so flattering on the skin and you catch the light. It looks like the light is bending with you. Petal is a beautiful dusty nude rose that gives you that really believable flush of color. Clean Glow Trio 2, this is great for medium to deep skin tones. Contains Truffle, which is a really gorgeous, rich mocha contour. Then we have Nectar, which is such a pretty golden peachy, glassy, lit up stick. And then we have DOUDOU, which is a really pretty warm rose blush tone. So the difference between DOUDOU and Petal is DOUDOU is a bit deeper. It's just has a little bit more pigmentation, a little bit more oomph. So I'm gonna show you how I use Clean Glow Trio 1. So first, I'm gonna contour with Biscuit. Again, really great for fair to medium skin tones, and it's so easy. I also love to give my nose a little bit of contour. You can't really mess up. Some highlight. Anywhere you want to attract the light. I love this, to keep in my bag just throughout the day when you feel like you need a little bit of a pop, a little bit of a wake me up. Little in the tear duct, Cupid's bow, bridge of nose. Even the chin makes such a difference when you have that radiance. So then we add a pop of color using Petal just on the top of my cheekbone. So listen, I love my baby blender and I could use it for my baby cheeks or even, for my contour, but today I'm gonna use my fingers. Just keep it easy. Little on my lips, little on my cheeks. Boom. Clean Glow Trio. I feel like I look way more awake. It's all about making yourself look as well as you possibly can, like you're super healthy, you're eating really well, you're exercising, you're getting a lot of oxygen. You can really kind of create that look using these three products. And that's my favorite. I don't want to look makeup-y. I don't want to look, like a transformation. I just want to look like the best version of myself. If you already own these three products, the Petite sticks are just so cute and they're so perfect travel size. So it's kind of like you can throw them in your bag, leave your full sizes at home. It's just convenient, and I always love anything in a petite size. I mean, so sweet. Look at these little ones. Let me know which set you choose and how you like to carry your minis. Can't wait for you to try. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Bye.